Okay guys, this is a 2017 Mercedes GLS AMG 63 twin turbo V8, 577 horsepower. This is a clean title trade-in we just took in. These do come all-wheel drive. You can see that sticker on the windshield. That is a Blue Star inspection. It's been done. It's on the website live. You can always take a look at that and see third party what they've came up with when they've inspected it. See this dual AMG exhaust. It does have the tow package. This guy said he just put some new tires on it. This is a third row. We've got this set up so you can see how people get in. Dual sunroof. You can see this is suede. Bright red brakes. See how you can get in there. Bang Olufsen sound system, rear heated seats, rear controls. Here's the VIN. See the AMG badging everywhere. Beautiful white seats. Start it up here for you. Oh, 44,000 miles on it. Do believe it has an adaptive cruise. There's all your seat controls. All your different controls. I believe this has an exhaust that opens up. Hear the motor there. Heated, cooled seats. Does have the 360 backup camera. So it has the joystick here. You know, a bunch of stuff you can do. I can't get into all of it while we're ambient light. That's how it glows at night. Here again, you can check out this clean title Mercedes GLS AMG 63 at tjchapmanauto.com for all the info. Thank you.